Christian at 2 years old.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, be careful. Watch out. Don't fall.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Free throws. Yeah!
Ah!
The wall of art.
Tired of shopping around. Too bad you're not buying car insurance.
Yes! 3 in a row, Christian! That's amazing! I'm so proud of you!
We're on the floor.
What's that? You want me to get it?
Go.
Can you show it to me? What is it? A little Play-Doh? Oh, we gotta keep that out of the...
Christian, when you go change your pants?
Well, you might not be done yet. Oh!
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Oh! You missed. Go again. Say it again. Do it again.
Go to the restroom, Christian.
Oh! Alright, can you say bye to the camera?
Bye, Grandma.
Say, I'll see you later.
See you later.
One more shot. Say, this one's for the girls. Yeah! For the mama.